Hello students, hope you all are fine at home. So students, yesterday I explained chapter 2 of literature in morning dew in video tutorial and also explained the question answer. So today we will do the reference to the context. Firstly, I will tell you how can we read the stanza and how can we attempt the questions. First is, on shouting monkeys and porcupine, he gets to see everything all the time except his shadow, which lazes about till the evening snuffs the fellow out. So, students, I think you can understand the rhyming words here at the last you have given. Porcupine, time, about, out. If you can judge the rhyming words in the poem, then you can judge the rhyming scheme of the poem also. So the first question is, from which poem the stanza has taken? Firstly, my question is, from which poem the stanza has taken? It means here we have to write the name of the poem. The name of the poem you know very well, in morning dew. So the answer is, the stanza has taken from the poem in morning dew. You have to pick the answer from the question. The stanza has taken from. Clear? Now the second is, who composed this poem? Yesterday when I explained the poem, in that explanation I already told you who composed the poem. KKN Daruwala composed this poem. ये poem किसने लिखी है? KKN Daruwala ने. Clear? And the third is there any rhyming word in this stanza? If yes, tell them. I already told you porcupine, time, about, out. These all are the rhyming words. So the answer will be yes. Then tell them. Tell them means अब बताओ कौन कौन से हैं? Porcupine, time, about, out. Clear? The next is, what does the scarecrow see? So students, this question you have to check in the stanza. On shouting monkeys and porcupine, he gets to see everything all the time. It means, what will be the answer? What does the scarecrow see? The scarecrow can see everything. Is that clear? Except his shadow. The last is, write the rhyming scheme of the given stanza. अब rhyming scheme के बारे में बताना है. So students, I think we already have done the rhyming scheme in class 5, but in now I will tell you how can we check the rhyming scheme of the given stanza. So the first line we will imagine a, then if the rhyming words are same in first two lines, then the second rhyming scheme of the second line is also a. It means first and second is a. And if the third is not same like first and second, then the third will be B. So a, B. Then the last is out, because about and out are the rhyming words. So the last will be B. So the rhyming words of this stanza is a, B, B. Clear? So students, I hope you all have understood this reference, and I hope you can do the rhyming scheme and the rhyming words of yourself. Now I have given you one more reference for practice. So he knows he shivers in the cold, and in the summer he will fry. Do seasons come up from the ground, or do they drop down from the sky? It means you have to do all the questions yourself. Here you have given the questions. Who is the poet of the poem? Already explained in the first stanza. What will happen to the scarecrow in the summer? You can see the answer in the given stanza. And which question bother him according to this stanza? According to this stanza you have to write. You can not write the answer from the whole poem. You have to write the answer according to this stanza only. The next is write the rhyming words from the given stanza. The rhyming words you can check also. And the last is write the rhyming scheme of the given stanza. So students, in this stanza you have to write all the questions, and we already have explained these types of questions in the first stanza also. So if you have any doubt regarding the poem, regarding the reference, then you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you. God bless.